Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked mango habanero chicken thighs. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on this mango habanero chicken. Let's go with the seasonings. We're gonna be using this MVP rub from AC Barbecue. Gonna be using this hot preacher smoked peach rub from Fire and Smoke. Also got some of this Rich's Backyard all-purpose seasoning, just a little salt, pepper, and garlic. For the start of the show, mango habanero from Sweet Baby Ray's. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and season up these chicken thighs. All right, this is what it looks like after you put your seasoning on. You want to put these up in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes while your smoker is heating up. So let's go ahead and place these in the refrigerator. I'll meet you guys outside. All right, it's been 30 minutes. It's time to load them up. All right, we're gonna leave them like that for 30 minutes. We'll come back, flip them over. Catch you in a minute. All right, it's been 30 minutes. It's time to go ahead and flip these bad boys over. Let's take a good look at them real quick. So this is what we're looking like at the 30-minute mark. We're trying to hit 165, but I'm trying to get them to about 163. I'm gonna toss them in some sauce and throw them back on here. So let's go ahead and flip these over. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, it's been 30 minutes. It's time to take these out, put them in an aluminum pan. We're gonna go ahead and pour that habanero sauce on these bad boys. I'll catch you inside. All right, it's time to pour that mango habanero sauce on these bad boys. Let's go ahead and get to pouring. All right, just like that, we're gonna cover these up in some aluminum foil. We're gonna throw them back on the smoker for about 10 minutes. Catch you in a sec. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. It's time to take this chicken out. We're gonna put it on the plate. Catch you in a sec. There you have it, smoked mango habanero chicken thighs. Take a look at that right there. We got all our seasonings right here that we use to make this dish. You know, gotta have that mango habanero sauce. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. You know, I try to make them short and simple for you. I know time is money, so I'm not gonna waste your time. But I appreciate you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. It's the Master Blends Cooking and Grilling channel. Hey, it's time to eat.